first जो dad ने बोला and that was misinterpreted. I really think it's stupid of people to assume that a parent would come on national television and tell their child कि इस मुद्दे को उठाओ या इसको पकड़ो. Personally, it's the body shaming thing has been a very close personal thing for me.
Absolutely.
It's been a journey, not a good one, and all of that got triggered. And that's when he came and said, basically edit पे क्या हुआ है, हमारी काफ़ी लंबी conversation हो रही है and उसके पहले का context दिखाया नहीं है. So everything depends on the edit as well. बीच में भी काफ़ी lines edit out हुई हैं. Again because of the time limitations or whatever. But उस चीज़ को इससे connect करना कि first my dad's telling me that you don't need to focus on the body shaming issues and this and that. Don't let it get to your head. क्योंकि he probably must be seeing कि मैं कम खाने लगी हूँ और and this and that. And then later on he was telling me about how so my nature's on my dad कि मैं कम बोलती हूँ, to the point बोलती हूँ, and then I just speak my viewpoints and I let it go. So he's like letting it go, and a lot of times जो छोटे मुद्दे होते थे या जो छोटी poking होती थी, I never really thought it's important to answer them because मुझे वो नहीं लगते थे important मुद्दे. But my dad said that वो बाहर probably एक weakness की तरह perceive हो रहा है. So he just was telling me that you do not let things go when someone's poking you. You answer in your own way the way you've been answering. And that वो दोनों चीज़ों को जोड़ना was very senseless because honestly my dad's also been working in the corporate world. He knows how the media works. He knows लोगों से कैसे deal करना है. No one's stupid कि वो national television पे आके अपने बच्चे को ये बोलेंगे. And more than that, being a parent, you would not tell your child कि इस चीज़ को पकड़ो because that's very that goes against the morals that my dad has taught me. And रही बात मेरी personality change की, I think लोग इसलिए ऐसा perceive कर रहे हैं क्योंकि dad came the very next day from the weekend का वार, but my mental shift was on the weekend का वार when Rohit sir had come and he explained me. And बहुत अच्छे तरीके से he explained me that Ashnoor आप सही point रखते हो, you are very to the point, but the show is such that you need to 10x it. You need to vocalize more, you need to explain yourself more. I just give my statement and I let it go. But he was like, you need to explain it, you need to exaggerate that, elaborate that thing. And that's when I realized that, okay, if this is the requirement, I'm going to take that feedback and work on it. When dad came, I had a lot of emotional venting out and I felt lighter. And then I could probably be myself. So I emotionally vented out to dad and I took Rohit sir's advice and I implemented it.